مرحبا جوارة وبخير هاتن كوردش لسنسي يعني هي وقتي ما هي النازي هشتا قيمة هي اللي أمي بنارن از من خواست بجربينه مش بربي بشكل زوغكر درس ويب إنجليزي شبه بجا خدي مزنة أم بشكل بسكنن لبندا هفالان وأزجوي شاخي حتى وي شاخي بورا خبر بدم أسشدكم تناكم جيانا من شاوا در باستبه هي هشت قيمة مانه ويعني اشتاز كوردش لسنس قولي إيرو مجارة ما present tense دمانها وكان بنرن أف لايف سيشنز شاوا دبن هكا وري عجباندن أمي بردوان بكن هكا نهات عجبان أمي بجن خاطري أو غربي وجبو يوتيوب يجي دوام حفتة قيا بسكنن أري وسا يعني كازنها بنرن قالو هن كسان كومنت مومنت نويساندنه هكنا أم بنرن أوكي لبرج خويا دكي سترينج أوكي لا 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 وشير سكرين بيجي محتشبونها وكمان قوتي أمي present tense بنرن present tense يعني دمانها present tense وسا يعني وين شدكن شوانا كيف حالها يعني I believe sessions بر عجيبنا بقى ترجمة كربو أبجي هاد سلامة شو ولا تشتي ولا جمل شو ولا اوكي أما بينج دقة نجي بسكنن بينج دقة ما قلت بو هشت بلا بدرو أمن هذيا حوال عم بسكنن وسا يعني كاس نعم شد بيت نعبي اوكي اوكي تمام بشكل نجي بسكنن بلا أف ليفر بمينه أفي شيء ليفر بمينه وكاني يوتيوب عمي أم بنرم بيتش دبي أوكي أم بيجن بالسار يوتيوب هون بخير هات هون بخير هاتن we are going to start after 5 minutes going to start after 5 minutes أي وسا يعني إن شاء الله هنا بعجبنا I hope you will like so I will first I will try to explain the grammar rules basically and then we are going to read a very short story and then we will do some exercises together and at the end of the session you will ask me whatever you want so it can be about everything but I prefer you to ask me about present tense about grammar yes okay you know I always when I teach Kurmanji okay, there are always students with me so I used to ask them questions speak with them to make them speak but now it's very strange to be alone here and to speak to yourself actually yes and yes after and in YouTube it will start after 4 minutes I think it already had started on Twitter let's see بشو ولا جمل تلوش بكي بشو نقنجاتكي okay I'm waiting for okay people right in Twitter we'll start in 5 minutes okay okay yes you are not alone we are here I am not alone. People are here. Nuh جديد بخير هاتي جانب. از دزانم تو هاتم شیروه عندکی تو هاتم فيديو من تماشا دکی سپاس مالات آوا وتي بیرا من جروجا کو من اف kanal vekir ve tu liver yani tu aligarya من دکی مالات آوا نوک جودی خودش ترازی به thank you. Oh. بشو شي ده كمان وابشو تلكوي ولا okay. When you are waiting, time doesn't pass. Right? No, never. Time doesn't pass. No, no. But when you're not waiting, time just goes like water. الظهر كي لما كنت البندات تشتكي واحدة الباص نابي. Yes. Ooh. Okay, let's see your comments. Yes, now I can see. Bashay. So, okay, so here's our presentation. I think it's time to start, right? Yes. So let's start. So our topic is today present tense. In Kurmanji, we have only one present tense. So you can use this present tense for continuous and for your like habitual. For example, you can say like I am reading now, or like I study like all the time. So we make this difference with adverbs. So if you say as naha, like I am now, so it is continuous. But if you say as hartem, I always, it will be present tense. Okay, so it depends on your context. Okay, so and so in Kurmanji we have only two stems. One of them is for present tense and one of them is for past tense. So for present tense, we need present stem, but unfortunately, there is no any rule in Kurmanji to find present tense. 1 second, let me record this complete. Okay, so we said in present tense, we only have one stem and one of them in the past. But there is no any rule to find present stems in Kurmanji. So you have to memorize, unfortunately. So you see here, I conjugated two verbs. One of them is karin, to buy, and one of them is diten, to see. So for karin, our present stem is kar. And for diten, our present stem is bin. And the rule says, if you want to conjugate the verb for present tense, first you will put the, it's our the shows the present tense, okay, the, and then your stem, and then personal ending. So for first person, it will be as dikrim. Second person, tu dikri, ew dikri, em dikrin, kun dikrin, ew dikrin. So probably you will recognize that these personal endings, they come from the verb bun, to be. For example, when we say I am a student, we say as khwandekar. So same okay? تو خوندکار ای same e او خوندکاره same a and plurals او خوندکارن هون خوندکارن ام خوندکارن. So it's very easy, but just finding the stem can be difficult for you. So, and for negative form, you will say as ناكرم, تو ناكري, أو ناكري, أم ناكرن, هون ناكرن, أو ناكرن. Okay. So, for example, as جلان دكرم, I buy clothes. تو جلان دكري, you buy clothes. Or أو جلان ناكري, she or he doesn't buy clothes. And according to your context, it can mean now I am buying clothes, okay? And diten, we said to see, and stem is been. You see, it's really far from the infinitive form, right? And you say as debinem, to debini, أو debine, am debinen, hun debinen, أو debinen. And for negative form, as nabinem, to nabini, أو nabine, am hun أو nabinen. So, as jineke delal debinem, I see a beautiful lady, beautiful woman. Or as jineke delal nabinem, I don't see, or I am not seeing, okay? It's depending on the context. Or tu jineke delal debini, or it means you see a beautiful lady. And for if you want to make question in Kurmanji, so in Kurmanji, if you want to make a question, you don't need to change the places, okay? You don't need to change the syntax of the sentence. So if you say tujineke delal debini, like with your intonation, it means it's a question. And the secret is you have to shake your head, okay? Tujineke delal debini. Like does she or does he see a beautiful lady? And so we said debinem nabinem, debini nabini, debine nabine, em hun eu for plural will be same conjugation. Debinem, debinen nabinen, debinen nabinen, debinen nabinen. And so it's our conjugation. Don't forget the stem and personal endings. The stem personal endings. It's our rule. And here I try to give some verbs with their stems. So we will try to conjugate some of them. For example, kırın, it is the most common verb, almost the most common one. Kırın means to do, and our stem is only k. So you say as dikem, tu diki, ev dike, em hun ev diken. We do, you do, she does, he does. And it can mean I am doing it. Yes, I'm doing, you are doing. Or in the negative form as nakam, to naki, ev nake, em naken. And for example, faren, to eat, and stem is khaw. Okay, 1 second. Show. Okay. So khwaran, to eat, and the stem is khaw, our diphthong. So you say as dukhum, I am eating. Tu dukhi, you are eating. Ew nakhwe, he or she does not eat, or she is not eating. Depends on context. And khwanden, so khwanden, the stem is khwin. So you say as dukhwinem, to dukhwini, aw dukhwine, am hun aw dukhwinen. Okay, or as nakhwinem. For example, they women her rosh portukan dukhwinen. Okay, my mom and my dad read books every day. They women her rosh portukan dukhwinen or nakhwinen. Khabitin, to work, the stem is khabit, as dkhabitim, to dkhabiti, aw dkhabite, am hun aw dkhabitin. a negative form as ناخبتم, to ناخبتي أو ناخبته. So you can do the rest by yourself. They're very easy, but just haten, which means to come, it's an irregular verb. So you say astem, it becomes te, astem, to tehi, أو te, em hun أو ten. For example, you can say as naha tem male. Now I'm coming home. Or in negative form, it will be as nayem, to nayeyi, أو naye, em hun أو nayen. And if you want to make a sentence, you can say أو chma naye male. Why is he not coming home, or is she not coming home? Nayem, nayeyi, naye, or nayen. So here there is a story I wrote for you. It's about one of my day with Shawak, with my cat. So I will read once or twice, and you can follow, and I will try to translate for you. And I will explain if there are some irregular stuffs. Okay, let's start. Roja kemen. Azu psi kemen zu shiardeben. Nave psi kemen shvaike. Peshi em tashte dukhun. دماكو از درسين خد خبتم شوايك رادكوي. شوايك دروجة كده 11 ساعتان رادكوي. لأس حفت أنجي 8 ساعتان رادكوي. أم جارنان بهفر دردكوين ودقارن. بشتي شيوي شوايك ديسا رادكوي وأز ديسا درسين خد خبت. So I will read once more, just in case. Okay. Azu psike min zush yardaben. Nave psike min shvaike. Peshi em tashte dukhun. Demaku az dersen khod khabitim shvaik radikave. Shvaik droje kede 11 saatan radikave. Le as haft anji 8 saatan radikave. Em jaranan behavre dardikavin u digaran. Pishti shive شوايك ديسا رادكوي وأز ديسا درسين خوا دخبت. أزو بسيكا من زو شياردبن. شياربون to wake up. أز شياردبن to شياردبي أو شياردبي أم هون أو شياردبن. زو شياربون means to wake up early. So you see we use adverbs like early, late, before verb. أز زو شياردبن. Or as dereng shiardebem. Nave psikemen shvaike. I think you all know this sentence. Nave psikemen shvaike. The name of my cat is Shvaik. Nave psikemen shvaike. Okay. Peshi em tashte dukhun. Peshi means first. Okay. Peshi em tashte dukhun. First, we have breakfast. Tashte is breakfast. Tashte khwaran, to have breakfast. To eat breakfast. Okay. As دخم to دخوي أو دخلي أم هنا أو دخون. And if you want to make this sentence negative, أم تشتي ناخون. We don't have breakfast. Okay. دماكو أز درسين خود خبتم شوايك رادكالي. دماكو means when or while. Okay. When I study my lessons, درسين خو my own lessons دخبتم شوايك رادكالي. So radikave comes from raketen, and it means to sleep. Okay, it is a compound verb raketen. That's why we insert the between keten and ra as radikavim, to radikavi, أو radikave, em hun أو radikavim. And for compound verbs, negative form of the verb will be as ranakevim. You see, we put na instead of the ranakevim to ranakevi, أو ranakeve, em ranakevin, hun ranakevin, أو ranakevin. اوكي شويك رادي كذا شويك دروجة كده 18 ساعة رادي كذا. So we have learned what is raketin رادي كذا. It means to sleep, sleeping. So دروجة كده it means in a day. Okay, دروجة كده. So here our preposition is the day. Actually they are called circumposition because you see you put your word between this the day, دروجة كده in a day, or you can say دصالة كده in a year, دمها كده in a month, okay, or دسعته كده in an hour. 18 ساعتان رادي كذا. So شوايك sleeps 18 hours in a day. If you want to say like he doesn't sleep 18 hours in a day, will be شوايك دروجة كده 18 ساعتان رانا كذا. رانا كذا. And second sentence is لأس هفت أنجي 8 ساعتان رادي كذا. But, so le is our but I sleep 7 or 8 hours. So Anji means or, 7 or 8. Next sentence is am jaranan behavre derd Kevin udgaran. Jaranan means sometimes. Okay, we sometimes together, so behavre means together. Let me make it colorful. Behavre, together. Derd Kevin, like to go out, and udgaran. Garin means to stroll, and it means to travel as well. So derd Kevin, as you see from this, it's a compound word. Der ketten, as derd Kevin, to derd kevi, ew derd kevi, am hun ew. Derd Kevin. And negative form will be as derna Kevin to pisho as derna Kevin to derna kevi ew derna kevi em hun ew derna Kevin. And this digerin comes from gerin. It should be here. Right? Gerin. So stem is ger as digerim to digeri. أو دقري أم هون أو دقرن. And negative will be as nagerim to nageri أو ناجري أم هون أو ناجرن. Okay. Pishti shive شوايك ديسا راد كذا. وأز ديسا درسين خد خدت. So pishti shive after dinner. Okay. Pishti shive. And disa means again and again. Disa or disa. Disa means again. Disa radically. He sleeps again. And I study my lessons again. U as disa darsen khwa dkhabetem. Tamam. And now there is a vocabulary list here. Dictionary. Let's check them. So zu shiarbun to wake up early. Peshi means first at the beginning. Tashte khwaran, to have breakfast. Okay, tashte khwaran, to have breakfast. Fravin khwaran, to have lunch. Shiv khwaran, to have dinner. And darsen khwa khabatin, to study one's lessons. So you can say Brayemen darsen khwa khabate. My brother study his lessons. Or خوش كامن درس أخوة ناخبته. My sister doesn't study her lessons. And we said jaranan means sometimes jaranan. بهفرة دركتن, to go out together with. Okay, بهفرة دركتن. بهفرة دركتن. Oops. Another color. Pishti shive after dinner. So you can say pishti tashte. Pishti fravine after lunch. And disa is again. And raketin to sleep. Okay, raketin to sleep. But here, just I want to make a note here. So we have another two verbs, zanin and karin. Zanin means to know, okay? And karin means to be able to. But, okay, the stem of zanin is zan. Zan. So you say as dizanim, to dizani, أو dizane, أم هن أو dizanin. But here, zanin and karin, they are irregular, and because of this, their negative form will be as nizanim, to nizani, أو nizane, أم هن أو nizanin. Just here, you see, normally our negative prefix is na. Okay, nachum, nakarim, nahum, nabinim, nadim, nameshim. But for zanin and karin, you will use n as nizanim. To nizani, أو nizane, أم هن أو nizane. And we said karin, it's also irregular. So karin, and the stem is kar, as dikarim, to dikari, أو dikare, أم هن أو dikaran. And negative form will be as nikarim, to nikari, أو nikare, أم هن أو nikarin. Don't forget these two verbs, karin and zanin. So we saw our stems. We have read our text. So I will upload this PDF to my Medium account, and I will give as a link under our YouTube video, and then you can come back and read this text again. And now, so we will do some exercise together, okay? So here. So here we have to conjugate our verbs according to our person in the present tense. So I will read the rest, and for the rest of the sentence, for the verb, I will wait for like 30 seconds. You will guess, and I will give answer. So first one, as her sal havalen tatatatam. So her sal every year, havalen my friends. So we have to use the verb to see, the 10. So I'm waiting for you just for 20 seconds, and then I will give the answers. As her sal havalen as her sal havalen debinem. Yes, guys, you did correct. As her sal havalen debinem. Okay, answer should be debinem. And if you want to say I don't see my friends every year, will be as her sal havalen nabinem. Okay, nabinem. And second one, em harevar shive tatatatam. Harevar means every night. Actually, every evening. Okay, evar. We every evening tatatant dinner. So here translation says we have to say don't eat. So you will say we don't eat dinner every night. Think a bit and then tell me your answer. I mean, write your answer and check. Harevar shive. Yes, the verb is khwaren. Stem is khawa, our diphthong. And for affirmative form, you say as dukhum to dukhi, but here you have to conjugate for third person plural and negative form. So, harevar shive nahun. Okay, nahun. Harevar shive nahun. Okay. O say, third one, Brayemen we pertuke tatatatam. Okay, my brother, that book, tatatatam. So we will say is reading. Okay. So think a bit. So Brayemen is our subject. So you will conjugate according to third person singular, like he, she, or it. Okay. How do you say to read? To read is khwanden, and stem is khwin. Okay. Affirmative form, you can say as دخينم تدخيني أو الدخينة أم هنا الدخينا. So here we will say برای من وی پرتوکه دخوینه. دخوینه. Okay. او چار. او هر صبح لپارق So we have to say walk. They walk in the park every morning. Okay, هر صبح. So how do we say to walk in Kurmanji? Think of it. And then try to remember the root, the stem, and then conjugate for plural third person. أو, they. So the answer is أو هر صبح للبارق دمشن. The verb to walk is machine and stem is mesh. As دمشم to دمشي أو دمشي أم هون أو دمشن. And the last one, 5. خواندکار با مامۆستەیان ڕێ. So you have to say are not speaking. The students are not speaking with the teachers. So how do you say to speak? Actually, there are many ways to say to speak, but here I used pave. Okay, paving to speak, and the root is pave. Oops, something wrong. So you will use pave, okay? Stem is pave. Let's go to our activity time. So خوندکار با مامۆستەیان ڕێ ناپەیون. Napaven because the students, okay? Plural, napaven. So you see from first, second, third, and fourth, you can say her sal every year, her evar every evening, her sabah every morning. So you can say her meh every month, her hafta every week, her saat every hour, okay? So, and here, then you can check the answers if you want. So I wrote the answers here. So I think basically this is present tense in Kurmanji, okay? Just the main problem is finding stems for present stem, okay? But if you check dictionaries, probably you can find all the stems for verbs. And by the time just you will used to use them, okay? And so here, this one, we did this, and that's all. Thank you for attending, guys. So now I will go YouTube. If you wrote something, we will check. Let me see. Where's my YouTube? And I'm not sure. Can I see your questions or your comments? Let's see together. Oh, there is no comments. Why? Okay, let me open from here. Oops, here. So no. Where are comments? Why I cannot see them? What's going on here? Let me see. I cannot see the comments. Strange. I cannot see comments, but strange, very strange. And it says, okay, now let's go our restream comments. I will check. Probably I cannot see them. Very strange. No, I cannot see them. It's very strange, really. Okay, let me check from phone if. No. Very strange, really. I cannot see. How can I see the comments? YouTube. Where is YouTube? Here, but why? Oops, here. Let's see. No. Yes, here, but okay, I don't know why, but I cannot see the comments. Strange. Okay, so I will add these PDF notes to our Medium account, and I will share these PDF notes everywhere. Actually, where is my channel? Oops, here. 1 second. Okay, here. But where is comments? Okay, 1 second. Here. I saw you guys. Yes, finally. So, Tubashi, okay, let me see if you have any questions. Wait. Okay, so I will set two messages. Okay, all messages I have to see. Okay, let me see if you have any questions. Okay, Malawa, as YouTube اللي تماشيتكم مالتها بسيكاتج ناقري ما مستحي ولا ناقري أو راد زين بشو كنت سلافوري سرچوا از هبلر تماشدكم watching you هبلر capitals دي سرچوا ما موش ناوي بسيكاتج ناوي بسيكه مش شوايك I sing a song Kurdish song while waiting now. Show Slav. How did you guys download Kurmanji keyboard in Windows? So it's very easy. كلامك كردي ببيشة. از دنجة من خوشة. از نهار الدرس كردي قداريتكم تبخير هاتي. Can you share YouTube link on your Twitter account? I thought it will be shared on Twitter as well. You can find YouTube link from the Twitter bio. Yes. Superstar. I do not understand this subject. What is the meaning of radikave? So radikave, raketen is to sleep, and radikave, she or he or it is sleeping. Radikave. So the binam nachum. Okay, Pedro. Oh, Pedro is here. Slav Pedro, tubkhair hati. Pedro is here. Pedro. Malatava. احنا كاسبانيولي نيفيساندي والله اسبانيولي نزانم we can see comments مو بخير هاتن سلاف جقطع روي سرچاوا مالا تابا ما مستي مالا وجاوا هم بخير هاتن قال لك سباس يدكم شيء باش مالا وآوا قال لك سباس okay ديار برسيما تنانا so it looks like you don't have any questions okay I will share these notes on my Medium account. I will share on Twitter, on YouTube, everywhere. So you will be able to use it however you want. If you don't have any questions, just I will say goodbye. Tamam, Chef Bash. Okay, let me write Chef Bash. Malawe Ava. Thanks a lot. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned a bit. Tamam. Okay, get next pass. Odem Bash. It was a strange experience to be here. تمام دم باش قال لك سباس شي باش غربي بخاطري باي باي اوكي let's مالا باي باي بخاطري يا بيدرو تبخيراتي ديسه ودم باش اوكي سباستكم مالا وافاتر Okay, then Bosch.